it going, everybody? This is Norfolk Southern Storm, along with
Clay Ranger 143.
And today we have a newbie. Time to unleash the beast. The Midland WR400 is here. It is here.
It sure is.
Ooh.
And Katie,
That's right.
Just like my box, I was just as excited as you are right now when I opened this on Christmas Day.
Well, it may be January, but who cares?
Yeah. Early Christmas. Well,
or how about this one? This is my half birthday present.
Yeet.
Yeah, my half birthday. I still go by that. February 5th. Cause my birthday's in August. Not really. Cause it's in the summer, and I love summer. Anyway, back to this. Back to the beast. The Midland WR400 is here. It has joined the family. And now, let's get her out.
Let's unleash this beast of a radio.
Let's get her out. Ooh, she looks good already. Oh, there's a cord.
Wait, yours didn't come in a box?
It is in a box.
No, your cord.
Oh no. But that's a unique cord.
It didn't come with it in this.
Well shoot, I can use this charger on my tablet. Oh wait, maybe not.
As long as it's 5 volts, then yes.
Never mind, it's not the right size. Either way, it's the same kind of charger that you would use for your Android phone or something. I don't know.
Camera or your cell phone, yeah.
There's a
micro
little
USB.
book. Don't need that. Let's get her out. Let's get her out. Okay, I'm having a little trouble here. It's hard to get it out with one hand. Alright. There she is. There she is.
Yeah!
Let's get this thing off.
Unleash the beast.
There she is. Almost similar to the 300, only it's black.
And Katie.
Huh.
My 400 is happy for you.
Yay, it's happy for me. It's jumping for joy.
It sure is. It's happy for you.
Alright. I'm gonna get batteries. And then we'll get this thing going. Never mind the mess. Just, you know. Just grabbing my batteries from my new battery box. Because, hey, you know. Because I want to see this work. Oh, it takes 4 AA batteries. I want to see this thing lit. Oh, whoops. Uh-oh. Alright, hang on. There it is. What are you doing over there? Playing around with it. Playing around with...
Battery cover. Yeah, this radio is really chunky.
Alright, hold on a second. I'm gonna put this down here for a minute. Put my... Only because I want to see how it lights up with one more battery. Are you ready for it? Are you ready for it? There it is! With the lights and everything.
Awesome, Katie. Oh my god.
Awesome sauce. I love how it says quick programming reference on the back.
Yeah, look right on the back of the battery cover.
This is how you do it. Press the menu button, select channel, choose your local channel. Now select the set location. Choose any multiple single. Yeah. All right. Let's play around with this thing and see what this has. Where's the menu button? Set time. Set events. Button beeps. Backlight. Set channel. Alert tests. Alert type. This is probably just as loud as the 300, isn't it?
Yeah, I can show you.
Let's find out.
Probably, yeah.
It's like right in the middle. It's like in between the 100 and the 120. It's not.
Kind of like,
It's not as loud as the 120, but it's not as quiet as the 100 or the 300.
Yeah, it's in between there like this.
It's like right in the middle. Alert type.
Yeah.
Put it on display. Might want to do that. Set location. Any language. Pretty sure I speak English because I don't think I want my radio to speak Spanish or French because I don't speak Spanish or French. And I took French in high school. Darn it. I don't remember anything. Anyway.
Hey, Katie, it's a good thing that radio doesn't have the English option.
The what option?
English.
Okay. Oh, okay. It's 12. Oh, no. Setting the time is 11.
It's 11:55.
55. There. Set time. Set events.
And,
All
wait,
on.
Katie, now it's 11:56.
What?
Now it's 11:56.
Oh well.
Amen.
We're both playing around with the. I can set the brightness on this thing.
Uh-huh.
I'll have it right in the middle. Set channel.
Gusting to 25, producing a wind chill of 9. The pressure was 30.14 inches and rising. Elsewhere, at 9 degrees and very light snow. Plan on slippery road conditions. It was cloudy with a temperature of 20.
I think it's just gonna stay on the channel 1 because that's the most reception I can get on here. We're both playing around with our radios.
Yeah.
Buffalo, snow and fog were reported with a temperature of 24.
Well, looks like this is gonna stay on channel 1 because that's where I get the most reception from. What's this thing?
I guess. Hold on 1 second, I'll be right back.
Oh, how it's the brightness of your screen. There's your volume, alarm, if I want my alarm clock, which I don't need because I got my alarm clock set on my ever-loving First Alert. The only other difference with the other 300s, and other Midlands, and I'm sorry guys, but the 400 has a USB outlet. Yes. You can charge your phones, your tablets on here. Your iPods, iPads, whatever you have. Yeah, you can charge it on here. Yes, sirree. And it's got AM, FM.
Cloudy in the mostly cloudy. Lows around 16.
I'll mess around with it later because I don't want to have any copyrights. And I guess these are your presets for your radio stations. It is.
Lows in the mid-30s.
Alright. So, yeah. This is the Midland WR400. It is here. It has arrived. And it looks pretty. I love the color on this thing. I really do. I like all the glam on it. Looks sparkly. Looks prettier in person. Anyway, I believe that is all for today. That will be all. Yeah. This is the Midland WR400. Maybe tomorrow, maybe Wednesday, sometime this week, there will be another new member of the family coming in. The HH54VP2 is on its way.
Hopefully, it'll come.
Oh, yeah.
Right?
Hopefully. Yeah, really. Because I'm dying over here. It's gone missing. Well, anyway, that is all for today. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos of my weather radio collection countdown. I'm sure the 400 will be on the list. And the HH54VP2 whenever it gets here. So, in the meantime, this is Norfolk Southern Storm, along with
Clearance 143, and it goes to
there he is.
400.
And there's his beast.
Now you have
Hey,
one
put it back on the screen real quick. Hold on.
Hey, two Midlands.
They're Skyping each other.
Hello.
It's seeing. It's like, oops. He's like, what's this?
I'm not seeing a mirror of myself.
What is
I'm not
this?
sure. Or is that another one of my brothers?
What is this?
It's a Midland WR400. Boy.
Yeah. Anyway. Well. See you whenever next time I'm doing something. Bye.
All right.